10 of Bill Gates' most influential quotes. Number 1, success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. Number 2, your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. Number 3, it's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. Number 4, as we look ahead into the next century, leaders will be those who empower others. Number 5, if you can't make it good, at least make it look good. Number 6, life is not fair, get used to it. Number 7, I really had a lot of dreams when I was a kid, and I think a great deal of that grew out of the fact that I had a chance to read a lot. Number 8, television is not real life. In real life, people actually have to leave the coffee shop and go to jobs. Number 9, technology is just a tool. In terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them, the teacher is the most important. Number 10, I believe that if you show people the problems and you show them the solutions, they will be moved to act. Thanks for listening. And if you're a helpful person, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for future updates. Again, I take your information into account in my videos, so of course, leave some feedback for future suggested videos. Thanks for watching.